Southwest 3134, approach 123.9er.
Southwest 3134.
Good day, executive 443, direct miles, intercept, maintain 5,000. Executive 443 miles and 5,000. Southwest 3181, turn right, heading 180.
Right turn 180, Southwest 3181.
Southwest 5217, do not to better till Jacob.
Order 0321, Hotel Tango 1.6 on the 2320 heading.
321 Hotel Tango, departure, radar contact. 0 Papa Zulu, contact approach 1239er.
23.9.
Southwest 3181, maintain 3,000.
3000, Southwest 3181.
Executive 443, approach 1239er. 01 Romeo, I don't see any traffic between you and there. You can contact tower 120.3, good day. Number 1 Hotel Tango, climb maintain 3000, turn right heading 330.
3000, 330 on Hotel Tango.
Southwest 3181, maintain 2500, speed 210 left.
2500 feet, Southwest 3181.
Southwest 3181, flooding 210.
Heading 210, Southwest 3181.
Southwest 3181, your phone company, 1 o'clock, 4 miles on the final, 3,500 descending.
Looking, traffic inside Southwest 3181.
Southwest 3181, follow 737, clear to visual approach, make 31 left. They're assigned 17, you're better till 5, you're 40 knots faster currently.
Okay, 3181, clear the visual left side. You see he's going to the right or we're following him?
Southwest 3181, you're following them in.
Alright.
Southwest 3181, follow the 737, clear to visual, 31 left.
Follow him, clear the visual, 31 left, Southwest 3181.
Number 1 Hotel Tango, turn right heading 070.
070 on Hotel Tango.
Southwest 52, left tower 1237. November 64 Alpha heading 320, direct quarter on the final when you're able.
Approach counter number 61 Fox Fox, 8000 cents to West Lima.
61 Fox Fox, approach plane to visual, approach plane 34.
Second.
Friendly 411, direct torch.
Direct towards 411.
Number 64 Alpha, descend to maintain 2000. Southwest 3181, safe, looks good, tower 1237, good day.
So long, Southwest 3181.
Friendly 411, climb maintain 4000.
4000, only 411.
1 Hotel Tango, heading 090.
090, 1 Hotel Tango. So 4415, we're 10.5 descending that south at Tinker, we Alpha.
4415, approach with runway you're looking for, I'll pass it along.
01 left.
Roger.
Approach Starlight 120 Golf Romeo with you over White Golf Lake heading back to Aspen.
120 Golf Romeo approach, you can go straight in, runway 34, verify Lima.
We have Lima and straight to runway 34, 120 Golf Romeo.
0 Golf Romeo, keep your speed as best you can, you got a fast bonanza behind you, contact tower 1260, good day.
1260 and we'll keep our speed up, 120 Golf Romeo.
Approach Southwest 1637, 8000 descending via the curve.
South 1637 approach, although which runway you looking for?
31 left.
Roger, I'll pass it along for you. Southwest 4415, maintain 6000.
6,000, that's 4415.
Friendly 411, climb maintain 5000.
5,000, 411.
1 Hotel Tango, maintain 4000.
4,000, 1 Hotel Tango.
1 Foxtrot, maintain 4000, 10 degrees right. Tether right down to 4,000. Fox 5. Number 64 Alpha, you look slightly left the course there. Shader at quarter, the final approach phase.
And departure friendly 409, 1.3, climb at 2,000, heading 030. Block.
Friendly 49 departure, perfect contact. Southwest 4415, heading 200.
200.